Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to go over the much requested constant rate infusions math problem, and this will be related to vet med, of course, but will also apply to human medicine, so let's get into it. By the way, I missed you all during that 20 hours. We didn't have each other during the shutdown. I'm glad I'm back, and I'm glad you're all here with me. The purpose of a CRI is to administer short-acting drugs to facilitate rapid and accurate titration of dose or maintain consistent plasma concentration of the drug. Just a little bit of background before we get started. Today, you are presented with an 11-pound Yorkie that has been prescribed 2 mg per kg a day CRI of metoclopramide. The metoclopramide is to be added to the intravenous fluids. If the concentration of metoclopramide is 5 mg per ml and the Yorkie's fluid rate of lactated ringers is 20 mL an hour, how many mils of metoclopramide should be added to a 500 milliliter bag of IV fluids? I like to start by going through and highlighting the important parts of my problem. The rest is just filler and not what I need to solve it. As always, we need to start by looking at our units, and in this case, we need to convert our pounds to kilograms. So I'm going to start by doing that. It would be 11 divided by 2.2, which gives us 5 kilograms. The first thing that we need to do is determine how many mgs per day are required based on our patient's weight. To figure this out, we're going to take 5 kgs times 2 mgs per kg a day, which will equal 10 mgs per day. Next, we're going to calculate how many mgs per hour are going to be given. To do this, we're taking our 10 mgs per day times 1 day over 24 hours, which will give us a total of 0.42 mgs per hour. We will then need to figure out how many hours are in the bag of the solution. To do this, we're going to divide the total volume by the fluid rate to determine hours of infusion in the total volume, which is 25 hours. Next up is determining the mgs per hour of total volume. For example, if your 500 milliliter bag of LRS will last you 25 hours and your patient requires 0.42 mgs an hour, you need to multiply the number of hours by mgs per hour, which gives us 10.5 mgs of metoclopramide in our 500 milliliter bag of LRS. We're in the home stretch, guys. Bear with me. Just 2 more steps. Next, I'm going to determine how many mgs per ml are in my bag. So we're going to take our total mgs added to the bag divided by your total volume, which will equal 0.02 mgs per ml. And last but not least, we're going to determine the dose required for our total volume. To do this, we're taking 10.5 mgs times 1 ml over 5 mgs, which will give us 2.1 mls added to our 500 milliliter bag. And that is it, everyone. Let me know what you want to see next. Bye!